So, hello everyone. What's in the cough syrup that is killing children? So, here's what we know so far. So, a cough syrup called Coldriff, made by Sri Sun Pharmaceuticals, is under scrutiny after being linked to the deaths of 15 children in Madhya Pradesh. And now it is 20 children. So, these children suffered unexplained kidney failure, and in many cases, standard treatment failed. So, lab test in Tamil Nadu has revealed that the syrup Coldriff it contained 48.6% DEG, which is a toxic industrial solvent. So, the permissible limit in medicines is just 0.1%. DEG is used in brake fluids, antifreeze, plastics, not in medicines. So, ingesting DEG can lead to kidney, liver, nervous system damage, seizures, death. So, when standard treatments were failing, doctors at GMCH Nagpur they used fomepizole, that is a drug which is usually given in cases of methanol poisoning. This intervention has helped to prevent further deaths. So, this protocol is being shared with hospitals and health authorities in affected areas. So, a criminal case has been lodged against Srisan Pharmaceuticals under the charges of culpable homicide, which is not amounting to murder, the drug adulteration, and violating the Drug and Cosmetics Act. So, a prescribing doctor has also been arrested. So, regulators have actually recommended cancellation of the company's manufacturing license, and several states have banned the distribution and sale of this cough syrup. So, this is actually a very tragic reminder that all medicines, especially those for children, they must be held to the highest safety standards. So, stay informed and spread this and share this to spread awareness. So, follow for more. Thank you.